What's up guys, the Gaming Beaver here. Today I'm going to be doing a video. I'm playing a game, it's called Plug and Play. I obviously don't know what this game is or what it's about. So let's just get straight into it. Alright, what do I do? Oh, I can move this. Get it. Oh. Plug and Play.
$30,000 for a nigga to get free. I just hit Rodeo and I spent like 10 G's.
What the heck?
I just did a show and spent the check on my mama.
Can we make them?
When I go
Can we
on
make
vacay,
cuts?
I might run out the Bahamas and then keep like 10 phones.
This is lost
and I'm really
fingernail.
never home.
What are you doing, sir? Even though you have an outlet for a head, no, a plug-in for a head.
Metro PCS, trapping ball, making plays.
Where'd you go?
50 shades of gray, beat that pussy
There you
like ho ho.
Oh, what the
I
heck?
know you know my slogan.
You just got knocked out, sir.
Niggas hating cause I'm chosen from the concrete I had rolled. Shorty staring at my necklace cause my diamonds really froze. But that dick up
You just
in
gonna
her
stand there?
pussy,
Or you
feel
gonna
it
walk
in her
around?
toes.
Okay.
I'm a real young nigga.
This game is very weird. I do not know who made this game, but one of my friends, he told me that I should play this game in one of my input this game in one of my videos. So I guess this is what I'm doing. What are you doing, sir? Are you just gonna keep running or what? Okay, just keep running. Oh. What the heck? What are you gonna do? You're just gonna do the same thing? Help your friend. Oh, just run right past him, though. What am I supposed to do in this game? I honestly have no idea what the heck I'm supposed to do. Oh my god.
I got companies and pesos. I got people on my payroll.
Okay.
She don't do it unless I say so. I don't smoke if it ain't fuego. I should sauce them up like Prego fettuccine without Play-Doh. All I wanted was the fame in every game they made on Sega. I was 5 or 6 years old when I had told myself,
okay, there we go.
But I treat you like my equal, never lesser. I was 26
now what are you gonna
years
do?
old when we had dropped this one amazing record. Had the world stepping. That's what I call epic.
Tag, you're it. Tag, you're it. Tag, you're it. No, other way. Yeah. Drag the there's cords plugged in these people's head. Tag. Oh, dang. Where are you punching them? Take that out. Punch him. You're the only one left and you're just gonna walk away. Savage life. What the heck? That thing just come flying backwards. Alright, let's do this right. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Hit you, tag, and bang, so if y'all love, get eeny, meeny, mo. Left. Okay. What the heck? Okay, what the heck? Are you gonna, no, don't, ew, he's pooping him out. Ew, that's nasty. Follow your poops. That's cool how you could just throw them around and follow them. Woo! Oh, okay. Oh, no, don't, ew, don't put them back in. What is this? Let's turn it up.
Hello.
Hi.
Do you know me?
I know you.
I don't know you.
I
don't
know.
know you. I know. You do.
You do?
I do.
You
You
don't.
don't.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
You'll walk away. There she is.
I love you.
I don't think I love you.
That hurts.
I love you.
I think you don't love me.
Hug me.
I'm not sure.
I do love
I do
you.
love you.
I don't.
It
It
hurts.
hurts.
I'm leaving.
Oh, really? Why can't they just get along together? Please, please. Holy cow. Let's see if we can try to... We can throw... Guess not. Alright, let's see if we can try to throw it up and it'll land right back in there. No, hold on. Let's try one more try. Dang it. Just one more time. No. No. Oh, that was cool. I almost went in the other one. Oh, who cares? This is just like the other one. The other people. Oh, now they have love for each other. Unplug your head. Oh, what the heck? What are you gonna do? Oh no. Don't do what I think you're gonna do. Don't do it. Ew. He stuck his head in the guy's butt. Alright, let's just walk away like this. You gonna stick your head in the other person's butt, huh? Huh? Now you want some of that butt? On that butt? Yeah. This is weird. Okay. Plug them together. Oh gosh. They have connected. Unplug. Plug. Okay. What the hell is this? Don't shit. Get the heck out of here. Get out of here. Okay, let's actually play the game. Who in the world would make this game? No. Both of them. Dang this game. Alright, so. That's weird how they just fall and just slide into the what am I supposed to do? Oh. Plug. Plug. Okay. Touch fingers. Are you just gonna grab his finger? No, don't pull his finger off. Are you gonna do? No, don't do what I think you're gonna do. Don't. Please don't. No, don't. Anyways, if I do pull his finger off. Oh. Put it back on. No. It was nasty. Unplug this. Yeah. You better walk away. Stop putting your heads in people's butts. Are we gonna plug the finger into the wall? Can we do that? Ew, what the heck? When you see that girl's butt. What the heck? when you see the girl's butt. Doing. Okay. Looks like a penis. Okay, I'm gonna end the game. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the game here, and I hope you like this video. If you do, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you later. Goodbye.